Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Today we're diving into simplified and killer budgeting strategies that actually work. No fluff, just practical steps you can start using today. Let's be honest, budgeting isn't about restricting your lifestyle. It's about owning it. It gives you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. It's like giving every dollar a job, because when your money has direction, so does your life. Reduces stress, prepares for emergencies, and helps you achieve your goals faster. All right, let's break down 4 simplified budgeting strategies. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Number 1, pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, save a portion first. Treat savings like rent, non-negotiable. Number 2, zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets assigned a job. Income minus expenses equals 0. It's intentional and powerful. Number 3, envelope method, digital or physical. Set a limit for each category. Once it's gone, it's gone. And finally, number 4, the 50-30-20 rule. A classic 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% debt and savings. Super easy to start with. Technology is your best friend when it comes to budgeting. Use apps like YNAB or Pocket Guard. Create custom spreadsheets in Google Sheets. Leverage budgeting tools offered by your bank's app. Remember, what gets tracked gets improved. Here are quick-fire tips to keep your budget game strong. Know the difference between needs and wants. Review and adjust regularly. Automate your savings. Track spending patterns. Use tech that fits your style. Budgeting isn't perfect. There will be challenges. But here's how you overcome them. Lack of motivation? Set clear goals. Irregular income? Budget based on the lowest expected income. Unexpected expenses? An emergency fund is key. Impulse spending? Wait 24 to 48 hours before buying. Budgeting doesn't limit your life. It liberates it. The sooner you start, the more control you gain. Choose a strategy, use the tools, and stay consistent. So, what are you waiting for? Your financial freedom starts today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart strategies in business and life.